Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, to open the app menu, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here tap on languages and input, then tap on virtual keyboard. Select Gboard, Gboard, and then tap on languages. As you can see here we have English language, and if you want to change it you can tap on Add Keyboard. Here we have list of languages. You can swipe up and down to scroll through it, find the language you like to use and tap on it. I'm gonna select Arabic, for example. Now I need to select the region, for example Egypt. And here we can select the keyboard layout, basically. You can also select multiple if you want to. Select what you like and tap done. And now we have two languages on the list. We can remove English one to make the Arabic default. To do it, tap on this pencil icon right here, the edit icon, select English and tap the bin icon to remove language. And now we have only Arabic, so if you go to something you can write in, for example Google, the keyboard should be in Arabic, and it is, as you can see. But you can also have multiple languages enabled and switch between them quickly. To do it, let's go back to the settings, add the English language back, then go back to something we can write in, for example Google. As you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic, but we can switch the language by pressing and holding on the spacebar and selecting the English, for example, like this. Or we can also tap on this globe icon next to spacebar to toggle between the languages, like that. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.